What if I told you there's a simple drink you can whip up at home that can seriously boost your erection quality? No more pills, no more gimmicks, just natural ingredients that actually work. A lot of solutions out there are packed with chemicals and come with potential side effects. That's why today we're focusing on natural ingredients you probably already have in your kitchen. These have been shown to help improve erections without any nasty side effects. Stick around as we reveal the top 3 ingredients that can make a real difference. We're not just relying on old wives' tales. We've dived into scientific research to bring you proven facts. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to mix and how often to drink this powerful concoction for the best results. Remember, this video is for informational purposes only and isn't meant to provide medical advice. Always check with a healthcare professional before starting any new treatment. Also, if you have duodenal or stomach ulcers or a history of gout, this drink isn't for you. Let's get started with number 1, understanding erection quality. To really get a handle on how to enhance this aspect of health, it's important to understand the basics of how erections happen. When a man feels aroused, his brain sends signals through the nervous system to the blood vessels in the erectile tissue. This communication causes the blood vessels to relax and open up, allowing blood to rush into the spongy tissues of the penis, resulting in an erection. A key player in this whole process is a little molecule called nitric oxide. It helps the blood vessels relax, which in turn boosts blood flow. If there isn't enough nitric oxide, those blood vessels can't widen properly, leading to challenges in getting or keeping an erection. Now, let's explore some common culprits that can affect erection quality. One big factor is your diet. Eating lots of unhealthy fats, sugars, and processed foods can hurt your circulation and limit how well nitric oxide works. Stress is another major player in this game. When you're stressed out, your body cranks up. Guess what? Cortisol levels, a hormone that can mess with blood flow and testosterone levels, both of which are vital for strong erections. Health issues like diabetes, high blood pressure, and heart disease also have a significant impact. These conditions can damage blood vessels and reduce blood flow to the penile tissue, making it tougher to achieve an erection. By understanding these factors, it becomes clear that improving erection quality isn't just about quick fixes. It's about taking a holistic approach to your overall health and well-being. So, let's get started on this journey to better health together. Next up, number 2. The first ingredient is cocoa. Cocoa isn't just a delicious treat, it's also packed with compounds that can significantly improve your health, especially when it comes to erectile function. Various studies have shown how beneficial cocoa is for cardiovascular health and erectile performance. One study published in the journal Circulation in 2006 found that flavonoid-rich cocoa can enhance endothelial function, which is crucial for blood vessel health and blood flow. The researchers discovered that regularly consuming cocoa increased the availability of nitric oxide in the blood, which is essential for blood vessel dilation and better erection quality. Another study, published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition in 2011, showed that cocoa can improve nerve function and blood flow. The flavonoids in cocoa help relax blood vessels, improve circulation, and reduce blood pressure. This, in turn, enhances the ability of the penile tissue to fill with blood and maintain an erection. The main benefits of cocoa for erectile function stem from its ability to boost nitric oxide production, improve blood vessel health, and enhance nerve function. Increased nitric oxide helps relax and widen blood vessels, allowing more blood to flow into the erectile tissue during arousal. Cocoa's antioxidants protect blood vessels from damage caused by free radicals, maintaining their flexibility and function. Improved nerve function helps transmit signals from the brain to the blood vessels more effectively, leading to better erections. Next, number 3. Ingredient number 2, cayenne pepper. Cayenne pepper, famous for its fiery kick, has been a staple in traditional medicine and cooking for thousands of years. This vibrant red pepper isn't just a flavor booster, it's a nutritional powerhouse. Packed with vitamin C, B6, K, and provitamin A, cayenne pepper also offers a wealth of antioxidants and plant compounds that provide numerous health benefits. This improved circulation is crucial for maintaining strong erections. Additionally, research published in Phytotherapy Research in 2012 revealed that capsaicin can strengthen blood vessels by reducing plaque buildup in arteries and enhancing overall blood vessel health. Cayenne pepper ensures that blood flows freely to all parts of the body, including the penile tissue. The antioxidants and vitamins in cayenne pepper are essential for erectile health. Antioxidants protect cells from damage caused by free radicals, which can impair blood vessel function. Vitamins such as C and B6 are vital for overall health and can boost the body's ability to produce nitric oxide, a key molecule for blood vessel dilation. Improved blood vessel health and increased nitric oxide levels lead to better blood flow and stronger erections. Before we move on to the next fascinating point, if you found this video helpful so far, give us a thumbs up and share it with friends and family. That would mean the world to us. It lets us know we're reaching people and creating content that matters. Now, let's get back to our list with number 4. And our third ingredient is honey. Honey has been cherished for its medicinal properties and health benefits for centuries. This golden liquid isn't just tasty, it's also loaded with essential nutrients and bioactive compounds that can boost your overall health. Honey is rich in vitamins and minerals like vitamin C, calcium, and iron, all of which support overall well-being. It's also packed with antioxidants such as flavonoids and phenolic acids, which protect your body from oxidative stress and inflammation. These antioxidants can enhance blood vessel function and improve circulation, both crucial for maintaining healthy erections. Moreover, honey boasts natural antimicrobial and anti-inflammatory properties that support immune function and overall health. Its ability to fight off infections and reduce inflammation can contribute to better vascular health, which is key for strong erections. So, combining honey with cocoa and cayenne pepper in your diet can give you a powerful mix of nutrients and antioxidants that support better blood flow and erectile function. Remember, these natural ingredients work best as part of a balanced diet and healthy lifestyle. That wraps up our top 3 ingredients. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. It helps us know we're making content that matters to you. Next, number 5, preparation and consumption tips. Now that we've covered the powerful ingredients, let's dive into how to prepare this erection-boosting drink and the best ways to consume it for maximum effectiveness. Start by bringing 200 ml of water to a boil. Once the water is boiling, add 2 large teaspoons of cocoa powder and stir well to ensure the cocoa fully dissolves and mixes into the water. Next, add a pinch of cayenne pepper to the mixture. Since cayenne pepper is quite potent, a small amount is enough to provide health benefits without overpowering the drink. For a richer flavor, you can add a bit of vanilla extract, although this step is optional. Allow the mixture to cool down to about 50 degrees Celsius before adding honey. Adding honey to boiling water can destroy some of its beneficial enzymes and nutrients. So, once the mixture has cooled, add honey to taste and stir thoroughly to ensure it is well mixed. Gradually stir in each ingredient to prevent clumping and ensure a smooth consistency. Taste the drink after mixing all the ingredients and adjust the amount of honey or cocoa to suit your preference. If the drink is too spicy, reduce the amount of cayenne pepper slightly. Prepare the drink in the same way each time to maintain consistency in flavor and effectiveness. For the best results, consume this drink once a day. Regular intake helps your body consistently benefit from the nutrients and compounds in the ingredients. Drinking this mixture before bedtime can be particularly effective. During sleep, the body undergoes repair and rejuvenation processes, which can enhance the drink's benefits for erection quality. The combination of improved blood flow and relaxation can help you wake up feeling more refreshed and revitalized. By following these simple preparation steps and consumption tips, you'll maximize the benefits of each ingredient, helping you achieve fantastic results. If you enjoyed this video, we'd love for you to give us a thumbs up. Your support helps us reach more people who could really use this information. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below. We're here to help. And don't forget to subscribe for more great tips and advice. Ready for more? Click here to check out our next video.